Okay, now let me do it.
No.
Skylar.
Skylar, let mommy finish her eyebrows. Stop it.
Close your eyes.
She's not hurting her.
It's not gonna hurt.
I'm going to burn.
It's not gonna burn.
Please. You're building. Yes, they are. I'm going to get their building.
It don't burn.
Okay, come on.
No. I can hate.
It doesn't hurt. Okay, I gotta do it now. Move your hands.
Oh, wait. You're scared.
Jade is not scared.
Jade ain't scared.
Okay, come on. I gotta finish.
No, no,
Skylar, move.
no.
Do you want me to do your eyebrows?
No.
Then move your hands off of Skylar's face. I mean, off of Jada's face.
It's, ah. Wait. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Why?
Because I accident.
Because of accident.
Yeah. Yes, eyes.
I'm not gonna have an accident.